Here are 3 insider top tips to help plan the wedding flowers. Top tip number 1, embrace the season. Now, if you buy flowers that are seasonally available, they're grown in abundance, so they'll be the best quality and cost effective. If you purchase flowers that are out of season, you run the risk of getting poor quality blooms at a very inflated price. So for example, peonies, they're only available May to July. So if you purchase them outside of those months, you're going to pay a lot of money for an inferior bloom. Top tip number 2, try and repurpose your designs. So if you have pedestals and pew ends and a registrar's table arrangement, you can transfer those over to the reception venue afterwards and reuse them. And likewise, often you'll see bridesmaids just lay down their hand-tied bouquets on the bar and forget about them. Or make sure you have vases of water ready for those hand-tied bouquets, and then once again they can be used to decorate the venue or even use them as table centres. And then top tip number 3, create a stem calculator or buying sheet. Now this is an invaluable tool that helps you to plan for the wedding from conception to completion. For more expertise and insider top tips, join our Academy of Flowers. For online courses, one-to-one consultations and a monthly membership, we are passionate about sharing our knowledge and expertise with you to help the process become more rewarding and less stressful.